Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to the Do Now. Let's do number one. Find the volume of the square pyramid. Ready, set, go! All right, let's see what we got. Yeah, okay. So the volume of a pyramid is 1/3 area of the base times the height. That's the first thing you should have looked up. And then we have 1/3. What is the base? The base is a square because it says square pyramid, right? The square is 12 times 12, length times width, or side times side, side squared, times the height of the whole thing. There we go. We got 10. Boop. There we go. Then we got our calculator. Yeah. So it's 1/3 times 12 is 144 times 10 is 480. Not approximately, it's equal 40. I didn't use pi, I didn't approximate. So that'd be centimeters to the third power. Cool. So hopefully you got number one was B. Number two, here it is. Oh my goodness, what's the volume of a cone to the nearest tenth? Ready, set, go. All right, here we go. So volume of a cone. Also 1/3 area of the base times the height. Okay, but the base is a what? Yeah, it's a circle. 1/3. What's the area of a circle? Pi r squared times the height. Okay, 1/3 pi. What's the radius? 6, yeah, because that's the diameter, so it's 6 squared. It's not 12. Radius is half the diameter. So the height is right here, perpendicular to the base, which is 22. There we go. Okay, let's try it. 1/3 times pi times 6 squared, which is 36, times 22 is 829 point. Oh, see that 8? That makes this 3 go up to a 4. Units, meters cubed. There you go. 829.4 meters cubed. There we go. Excellent job. Let's do the next one. Oh my goodness. Here's a mastery in advance. Who remembers this? Find the tangent ratios for angle P and angle Q. Ready, set, go. All right, let's see it. Boop. So, all right, SOHCAHTOA. There we go. So tangent is opposite over adjacent. So I put that in my mind. So let's start with angle Q first. So Q, size label. So this side opposite to 90 degrees is the hypotenuse. Draw a straight line across. This is the opposite. And then this right here is the adjacent. It's the side of the angle that's not the hypotenuse. Okay. So tangent of Q is opposite 21 over adjacent, which is 20. There we go. We also need the tangent of P. Okay, does anything change? So now I'm looking at P. Well, hypotenuse stays the same, but ooh, good thing I'm writing in pencil. You gotta use pencil when you're doing math. So this right here, this now becomes the opposite. 20 is the opposite, and then this is the adjacent. It's a side touching the angle that's not the hypotenuse. Okay, so tangent of P is opposite 20. Because tangent is opposite over adjacent, 20 over adjacent, 21. There we go. So tangent to Q is 21 over 20. Tangent to P is 20 over 21. Let's see what that answer is. Tangent to P is 20 over 21. There we go. The answer is B. B. Nice job, everybody.